And not just those $700 an hour lawyers, Carmen. Take a look. This T-shirt went on sale today. It features the mayor's mug, Christine Beatty's mug, and one of those sexy text exchanges. Like the website says, why not have the mayor's mugshot on an actual mug? And so much more.
When we were sitting in the office collectively watching the coverage, and we thought, why not create a forum for people to just, I guess, get lighthearted with the situation.
So the Ohm Creative Group, a company which usually makes music videos and websites, among other digital marketing tools, decided to branch out into the world of scandal, setting up the website KwameMug.com, selling their wares, but also providing a forum for discussion.
We also have T-shirts that are, it says Free Kwame with a question mark. It's intended to just kind of spark conversation.
The site's only been up since last night, and already they have hundreds of hits, people weighing in on the scandal, like this guy who says, well, that's what happens when keeping it real goes wrong. Schultz likes that line so much, he's considering turning it into another T-shirt.
We want to provide an environment and a forum for people to have fun with the situation, because everywhere else you look, it's going to be very serious.
These scandal tees go for $18 a pop. The mugs are $10. We're in Royal Oak. Mara McDonald, Local 4.
All right. Well, thank you, Mara.